Dear friends, welcome to ICSR. The moment you join ICSR, you get 4 different accounts in addition to the regular ICSR account. These are ICSR Connect, ICSR E-learning, ICSR Cloud and ICSR Block. ICSR E-learning is based on Moodle, whereas ICSR Connect is based on Mahara. Moment we click on ICSR Connect is nothing but online technical portfolio. The password and username of all these 4 accounts come to your mail, and you can use this password and log in into your account. So I'm just logging in, and moment I log in, it prompts me to change the password. Now this ICSR Connect is all about creating your academic portfolio. So moment to log in, you have to click on create. This involves 2 different types of portfolios. One is your profile page, which will be visible to the external user. Another is the dashboard page, which you can see from your end. So before filling the profile page, it is quite important to fill the contents, that is all your details. So you have to click on contents over here, and moment I click contents, it asks me for my name, image, number. I can write a brief introduction about myself, like I am writing here. I am my display name, which is Doug, and I can save my profile over here. Then it asks me for my profile pictures. I can upload my profile picture by browsing here. So this is my image. I can give it a name, say Doug, and then upload it by clicking here. Once my new image comes over here, I choose it as default and then set it as default. Now in my profile, this image will always be. Then I can upload my files. Similarly, my journals. Journal entries are nothing but similar to our diary entries. We can write something, we can create some information. It's basically what we want to say to everybody. We can just add it. Tags means these are the keywords by which the search engine of Mahara will search our information. And I can post my further resume over here, which involves my other details, job, date of birth, citizenship, etc., etc., my plans and my notes. Once all these things are done, I have to organize my portfolio. So I will go to my profile page and I will arrange it accordingly. So I will click at edit this page, and moment I do that, first of all I have to set the layout. So right now, as I can see, it is a 2x2 layout. As we can see, 2 columns. Now I will change this layout and I will make it more interesting. For example, 1 full row, which will be having my details, then 2 and then 3. I'm just setting it, it will become more clear once I do it. Say. Now my layout is created, and all those things which were earlier in 2x2 have come in one single row. The entire structure is visible to me. So now I have to edit this. So say I have to edit about me. So I have clicked over here, and I want my profile picture to be visible. I want my email address to be visible if I wish to. my display name, my introduction, and then I do save. So all this information has come over here. After this, these are my groups. That is, there are different types of groups. And say I want to join a group, then I will try searching people, probably the admin. Now I have ICSR admin. I can see his profile and I can see his groups. If I wish to join any particular group, I will just click over here, say literature and humanities, my area of interest, and then I will request the admin that I wish to join this group. So I will be finding people, I can interact with them, I can start my own online courses over here and inform people what all things I have done and find people of similar interest, similar inclination. Again, I go back to my dashboard, create profile page, and I want to edit this page. So once the administrator gives the permission, my groups will be visible. Now, as I said, it is 2, 1, 2, and 3 format. So my groups I want to be visible in the bottom. So I have kept it here. So my groups will be visible over here. In my portfolios, I wish to add my different achievements. For example, say all my certificates, I want my certificates to be visible directly. I want my certificates to be visible. So I will select media and I will select image gallery and I will select the position where I wish it to be kept and I will click add. Then I will select image. I can give it a name. For example, say my certificates. And then I will choose the images which I wish to upload. So these two images I have selected and added. It will be as a thumbnails. I'm adding them. I can select the width as well. Say I want width of 350 pixels. Now whether these images will be retractable or not, it is best to keep it automatically retractable. It's best to keep it yes. Automatically retractable means these images will minimize on their own. Retractable means they can be minimized if I wish to. And not retractable means they cannot be reduced in size, they cannot be minimized. So I choose yes, they can be retractable and then I save it. Now these are my certificates. I place them in my portfolios. I can edit the layout as well and I can make them as slideshow. I can keep them as slideshow so that will appear much better and I can edit their size and shape as well. For example, I want the width to be somewhere around say 800 pixels. See, so they have doubled in size. Now these are my friends. Again, I want my friends to be on this side here and my groups to be here. Now say I wish to, now this is my wall. So in my wall, my other friends and other people can write messages to me. Whereas if I wish to see to put my journal entries. So again, I can select my journal entries from here. So here I get my journal entries, which I can again insert in a similar manner. If I wish to say I wish to insert a PDF document which I have created on technical writing and I want all my fellow members, my friends and other people who visit my place to see the documents which I have created. So I will again click here. I will click on media and I will click on this PDF and then again I want this to be on this one by one location. So I will select my PDF document, and then I upload it. And PDF should specially be automatically retractable, so that they are by default they are minimized in size, and only if someone is genuinely interested, only then it should be visible in detail. And I place it below everything. So I bring it, I drag it and drop it over here. So now if I wish to see how my profile appears, so I can go here and just click here on the display page, and I can see how my profile is appearing. Since I kept it automatically retractable, so my technical writings are reduced, and the moment I click over here, I can see that it has elongated. The size etc can also be adjusted. So similarly, the other component of my portfolio will be how I will see things when I log in. So that page is called as dashboard page. So this is my dashboard page. So that, and again I click over here, I do create profile page. Now this is my dashboard page. I click on edit dashboard page. So this is how I will see things when I log in. Again, this can be changed in similar way. First of all, I will change the layout. As I can see, it is in 2 by 2 layout. It is in 2 column layout. So I want it to be a complex of 1 column with 2 column and 3 column layout, or whatever suits me. It will be more simpler and easier to keep it in 1 column and along with the 2 column layout. Say I will click over here and then I will save. Now things are either in 1 column layout or 2 column layout, and I can place anything wherever I wish to, like this. And I can add even more features. Say I want to add a multimedia. Again, it will be similar thing. If I want to add a video from YouTube, then I will click on external, and I will say external media, and say if I wish to place it over here, I will click here, and then I will add, and then simply I will give the name of the block, the URL link, width, etc., etc. All these things. It should be retractable or not, and then save. If I want to add my details related to, say, for example, my social networking sites, then again I can click over here and say personal info, say social media. I will add it here, add, and then my social media I can give name up to this block, retractable yes, and then save, and then I can edit it. But since in my portfolio which I had created, I had not added my social media details, so I have to add, because in the content social media details are missing. So I have to add some social media details, for example Facebook, Twitter, whatever we wish to. If there is something else, for example LinkedIn is not here, so LinkedIn, and then I will search my LinkedIn profile, click on it and add over here, and then I will do save. Use ICSR Connect.